This is the Volcano 4, and this is the Toro 4. By default, you might think the Volcano 4 is better, but the Toro 4 with the shotgun choke level 3 on it is way more versatile than the Volcano 4 fully decked out. So I'm gonna break down the playstyle of the Volcano 4 and the Toro 4, that way you can know the key differences. Okay, the Volcano on Stella Montes. We got a fresh spawn, kinda leggy to start it off. All right. I actually have no idea this location. I didn't even know this was a spawn. I think we'll go down into the loading bay to start it off, though. Okay, I know where I am. Using the tunnel, I can get to where I want to go. That guy spawned right across from me. Hello. How'd you down me? Man. How'd you down me? Just trolling with him. Pulled out a trigger grenade and dive roll. What, dude? He jumped out. Nah, brother. Gotta get more sneaky with it next time. He's hucking those trigger grenades like, I don't know, probably how you throw a baseball. I knew, once I heard him jump down, that's when I knew I could commit to the full battle. Renegade healing. Huh. Venator. So he pretty much just brought, I should probably take the adrenaline shots. I don't know why I didn't. You guys can comment about it, how bad I am. So we know somebody else is right here. So we want to actually go up on this side, then jump out. Somebody's like right above here. So let's see how this goes. I heard a footstep, that's why I jumped in here and 180'd. I'm actually gonna go up because I am kind of nervous. Somebody's like right close to there. I think there's somebody like on this as well, or close to it. Oh, there's the footsteps. He's going the normal way up though. Hello, goodbye. Yeah, I know. Dude, if you can crawl out, it's all you, man. What? I don't want to finish. What, do you have the augment to survive forever? I don't want to finish you. Yeah, man. I committed. Okay, you asked for it. That guy's just a freeload. Somebody else talked on the mic, so let's go to assembly though. You can see the Volcano, if you commit, it has the fastest time to kill in the game, but it's like you're really waiting for those opportunities to make that happen. Door open. Ball of dead. We're actually just gonna climb up to the top here. Oh, I did hear footsteps. I did hear him west. Okay, I'm gonna put a jolt. I'm gonna put a jolt right here. I don't really care if it gets shot, to be honest. It's more of just like a sound cue. There he is. Hello. Oh my god. That dude almost won that battle somehow. I think I was shooting the railings lots, but still. I'm okay. Okay, he just surrendered out. I am curious. I think I heard somebody else. Oh yeah, hello. I had a full commit to that. I knew he was using the Toro, and he didn't seem like he had a high-level Toro. So he couldn't get a second shot off, and he didn't expect me to jump off and do that to him. I was gonna greet him with the Renegade. I'm gonna put just the Jolt here. That way if I need to back up, because I really need to heal, then kind of figure out my healing. I think I just heard somebody to my left as well. That guy almost wrecked me with the kettle. Okay, I did bring extra heals, so... Gee, I'm just gonna even keep some in my safe pocket because I have gotten close to losing those battles. The only reason I jumped off is because I thought I'd catch him off, because I just knew he didn't have a Toro 1. Or I knew he had a Toro 1. But you can see where he shot me from. That Toro did so much more damage. Okay. What side do I want to be covered from? I'm gonna put that in there. Gonna do a full clear. There's somebody right there. Gonna walk up right here. I seen ya. Okay, I'm just gonna make noise like I don't know he's here. Even though I do. I don't know if that's his Jolt mine on the inside. It wasn't his. I have a couple choices. Oh. I don't like shooting at this railing, so I don't know why I keep coming back here. I'm actually gonna jump off. Did he get out? For some reason, I think there's a chance he's out, and I might get really screwed here. This angle is actually really bad for me if he figures out I'm up here. I don't know what he's doing. I'm assuming he didn't get out. He's not looting that body around here it. Dive roll off. Give him a chance to shoot at that angle. He's playing really passive. I'm gonna slide. Hello. I just want any indication. What is that? Make a sound for me. Show me where you are. Like, do I commit to the left? I don't know what this man's doing. Yeah, let's see if I can bait him out a little bit. I give him props sitting still. Sound cues are the death of you. I think this guy has a Toro. That's why I'm kind of scared to push him. Let's go for it. I'm gonna run, jump, check that corner, and check this. Kind of a sketchy way to check, but I didn't want to run down this and just get decked. I didn't even have the volcano out, so I would have died. Second person here. Well, let's find out. Was I wrong the whole time? Was I wrong the whole time? Now I'm confused. You're a ninja! Where's he going? You're a murder boner? You're scary. Well. That guy had the loot, he had a Toro 4. Can't complain. I thought this guy only had a Toro 1. How he played was kind of passive, to be honest. Like, he could have easily shot up one more time and I would have died. Wolfman. What are you doing in my assembly line? Are you gonna work on my rocket? I almost feel bad killing people in solos lately. It's like I need to find a trio. I need to do some trios. Some trios or duos. Kill on sight. A lot easier without feeling bad. More normalized. I honestly just leave jolt mines behind because I think I can make like 140 of them right now. So it's like, doesn't really matter to me. You actually cannot climb up there. I don't really feel like running around on this one. So I think I'm just going to extract and call it a game. I could... Oh, I didn't bring a hatch key. Never mind. Yeah, I guess I gotta go.
Take that metro entrance.
Lobby. Oh. Alright. Let's see. Can I make the jump? Gotta, like, time it perfectly. There we go. I let a couple people live there, but a couple good kills. Kind of. What is that man doing? Hello. I don't know why I did that. I feel like that guy's just waiting to kill somebody, so I don't know. I don't know why that guy's saying really. He's camping in a corner without the train going, and he's questioning his fate. Like, he's not waiting to kill somebody or think he's being sneaky in that spot. Like, maybe he was a legit. I doubt it. Why would you be sitting there? So yeah, the full time to kill. In those situations, it's pretty good. So you can see from that game, the Volcano, you really have to commit. The battles are so close that you actually have to take with it. If you're inside that range where your barrel is touching them, yeah, you're going to have the quickest time to kill in the game. Okay, I'm bringing the Toro 4 alone into the blue gate, and I'm going to take some far range battles just to show you the versatility of it. Whereas the Volcano, yeah, honestly, I'd recommend the Volcano to a new player that has to sit on a corner and you want to wait till they get right in front of you to kill somebody. But as a more experienced, advanced, I don't know, whatever you'd want to call it, the Toro is 100% going to be picked by probably 9.9 out of 10 players for being better than the Volcano. So in this game, I didn't bring adrenaline shots because I'm just being lazy in my gameplay. I always recommend them. Someone dropped right there. Right? He has a Pharaoh. I might leave him. You friendly, dude? I'm assuming he's friendly. What up, man? Okay. One shot. Two shot. That roll's not gonna do nothing. I asked if you were friendly. I didn't want to kill that man. I'm just gonna let him crawl. Crawl! Another one. Wrong key. What are you doing? Right. I think I heard more bushes. I jumbled my keys there and still got the kill. That was kind of lucky. But you can see, like, the Toro, it's just clean. When you get the shot, it's just powerful. Like, it just flat out, you know they're going to die in pretty much 3 shots or less. And it feels good doing that. Like, yeah, the Volcano would have won any of those battles as well in that situation. Oh, he lived. There's that guy. Okay. I actually thought this guy was going to die on that shot. There's no door here, so hello. I want to get out of here before the bombardier kills me. Alright. I didn't want to be culting the evil man, so I just had to kill him. Like, those kills like that, I probably would have had to shoot like a whole clip of the Volcano, and I don't know. And ideally, you have the lightweight stock, so those like quick right-click shots actually zoom in the whole distance. And then you're shooting a lot further than you realize as well. Shooting at the back of the tunnel. Some guy might be alluding to the left here. Alarm way off to the right. Got a tick above me. Not gonna shoot it. Lockers are open. Did he go into here though? He did not, from the looks of it, or he didn't breach that. Bastion. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go back and keep going. Hello. Oh. Brother. 2 shot. I wasn't gonna kill that man. But, you know, he kind of asked for it, right? I'm tracking somebody down. You can see I kind of use part of my camera to clear it, and then I do the shoulder swap to continue like clearing it even more. Check for the security breach. Oh dear. Take a little quick second before I keep on running. Keep letting my stamina recharge. It's like more to show you don't need to be the most efficient in everything you do. Like, you don't need to bring adrenaline shots in. You don't need to bring in everything. Is it recommended? Yeah, but like, you can play more chill and just use a gun, rotate around a little slower, and kind of still kill people. Our patrol car key right there. We got one security breach coming up. We know there's a guy that did go down here earlier. Complex, parts, pretty much just salvage. That's all they're for me. Okay, we're gonna go up into the center. It's got one more flare to the left. Like 3-shot a wasp from that range. Like, Volcano is not doing that. Once I get to that, I'll kind of save stamina bar for a more important period. Gonna dodge that. Okay. Okay. You can see I kind of checked to my left a couple times to kind of see if I'm baiting anybody down the stairs. All right, that guy's dead. He didn't hold me. Hello. He trapped himself in there. He trapped himself in their room. Oh man, that's next level gaming. I got a blaze grenade. Okay, he took off a weapon mod. Somebody else is here. Actually, that might not even be another player. He has 2 trigger nades camping in there. Okay, I'm gonna get him to blow up his trigger nades. I want to close this door. Oh, he put it back on. The Bastion's shooting out there. I really want to kill that guy just because of what he's doing. I'm just gonna run over here for a second. Check the bridge. Okay. I'm sure everybody's watching. Wants this guy to probably die as well. Okay. Did I kill him? Is that a flare? What was this setup? I think the trigger nade blasted himself. And then... Oh, no way. Is that the one I need? It's the one I need! The looting Mark III Survivor? I was trying to grind that for like 2 hours yesterday. This guy came in and found it. Thank you. Thank you very much. You are... Oh, can I... Oh, here you go. Here's... I'm petting your head. Thank you. Thank you. Somebody else is above the zip line. Oh, open. Oh. That's a little interesting. Who put the jolt down like that? Is there another camper up the stairs or right there because of that jolt? But he should have shot me when I did that rotate. That's why it's kind of strange. Another robot went. I think that... Did I gamble? That robot I heard is up top to the right. I might die doing this. I hope he's not to the left or somewhere random. Over here. Okay, I'm wrong. Bait that. Oh, dead body right there. This guy like fall to fall damage? Why is he dead right here? Alright, let's take some proper adrenaline shots. Yeah, I should take the anvil too. Alright. Somebody's here? Hello! Ow! Thank you. That guy might have had a macro, I am not sure, but I got a Survivor Mark III. That's a huge win. If I had a lightweight stock on the Toro, I would have killed that guy at the end. It didn't ADS in time when I did the jump shot, so I didn't 2-tap him. But this is what I would say. Use the Volcano if you're like a beginner player and you gotta hug the corner, but wait till they get close and then just run them down and you're gonna kill them. If you're more of an advanced PvPer, 100% the Toro is way better than the Volcano, especially when you add in dive rolls and all the little mechanics you can do with it. And the pop shots and damage it can do is way better than the Volcano. Any top PvPer is gonna say the Toro is better. I hope you learn the differences, how to kind of use the Volcano and how to use the Toro. GG all.